Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Car Expert, your ultimate destination for car reviews and updates. Today, we are diving into a car that takes luxury and performance to a whole new level, the Brabus Tiffany Edition. Known for its bespoke styling, extreme power, and unmatched exclusivity, this custom sports car is a dream machine. Let's explore why the Brabus Tiffany Edition is turning heads in the luxury car market and how it fits the needs of Indian buyers. Body. Exterior design. The Brabus Tiffany Edition stands out with its jaw-dropping aesthetics and custom touches inspired by Tiffany & Company. The car is finished in a signature Tiffany blue exterior, giving it a unique and eye-catching appeal. The front features an aggressive Brabus wide-body kit, complete with carbon fiber accents, a bold grille, and sharp LED headlamps. Sculpted side skirts, aerodynamic mirrors, and large air intakes emphasize its sporty and luxurious design. Riding on 21-inch forged alloy wheels, finished in gloss black with Tiffany blue accents, the car exudes exclusivity. At the rear, a carbon fiber spoiler, quad exhaust tips, and LED tail lamps complete the dynamic look. With its bespoke design, the Brabus Tiffany Edition is the epitome of automotive art. Safety and build quality. Brabus ensures the Tiffany Edition meets the highest safety and build quality standards. The car comes equipped with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, and dynamic stability assist. Advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera add to its safety credentials. Built on a robust platform with extensive use of carbon fiber, the car offers durability and crash protection. With its top-notch safety features, the Tiffany Edition inspires confidence on every drive. Price and exclusivity. The Brabus Tiffany Edition is a car for those who demand the best of luxury and performance. The price in India is expected to be around 5 Indian rupees crore, ex-showroom, reflecting its exclusivity and customization. Each Tiffany Edition is made to order, allowing buyers to personalize everything from upholstery to exterior finishes, ensuring no two cars are the same. With its ultra-luxury pricing, the Tiffany Edition is a status symbol like no other. Outro. So, what do you think of the Brabus Tiffany Edition? With its breathtaking design, jaw-dropping performance, bespoke interiors, and cutting-edge technology, it's a car that's as unique as its owner. If you're looking for a car that blends exclusivity with extreme performance, the Tiffany Edition is a dream come true. Let us know in the comments if the Brabus Tiffany Edition is your ultimate luxury sports car. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.